Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about antibacterial hand wipes by Up and Up. If you guys don't know Up and Up, they are Target's brand, Target store brand, and I buy many of their items. So if you guys are interested, I've actually made other videos as well on other Up and Up brand items that I've purchased, such as their wipes and stuff like that. So if you guys would like some more information, just be sure to check the video description for that. So especially these days with COVID going around, flu season, you want to make sure you're cleaning your hands as often as possible. I have a 20-month-old. If you guys have kids, you know it's like so hard to just keep them. It's hard to keep them clean because you have to keep them clean. But it's hard because they have no sense of like germs and no understanding of that. So I always make sure that my son's hands are clean, especially because I have another baby who is just a couple weeks old and doesn't have any kind of like immune system yet. So I need to make sure that my other son keeps his hands clean. This way he doesn't spread his germs. So these are something, antibacterial hand wipes are something I really suggest everyone has, especially like in their purse, in their backpack, gym bag, in the car, because you just never know. You can't see the germs on the surface of anything you touch. So, you don't know if you're spreading something or not. So whenever I take my older son for like play dates and stuff like that, I make sure that I'm always wiping his hands and keeping them clean. So these are antibacterial hand wipes, dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic. I made sure they were hypoallergenic because sometimes my son can have like a little bit of skin sensitivity. So I think the more sensitive, the better. These kill 99.9% of common germs. They come in a fresh scent and they are a 40 count. So there's 40 hand wipes and they have the sizing here. So 5.5 by 7 inches. If you flip over, and these are very inexpensive, by the way. Also great for a diaper bag. If your kid goes to daycare, throw this in their bag. So it has the drug facts on here, active ingredient. The purpose is antiseptic. Use hand sanitizer to reduce bacteria on the skin. Drug facts: do not use in or near your eyes. In case of contact with eyes, flush thoroughly with water and avoid contact with broken skin. Stop use and ask doctor if skin irritation develops, and of course keep out of the reach of children unless you're wiping their hands yourself, because if swallowed, you would need to get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. And has all the inactive ingredients are listed as well here. So directions: wipe hands thoroughly with product and allow to dry. For children under 6, use only under adult supervision, and it's not recommended for infants because, they could, they could touch this and then put their hand in their mouth, and, the ingredients are not something that you want your child eating per se. Up and Up antibacterial hand wipes provide a convenient way to get rid of dirt and germs quickly, leaving your skin feeling fresh, soft, and less dry, and use anytime to clean and refresh. And they do have that light, fresh scent, not overwhelming, doesn't smell like chemicals like some of the other ones on the market. And then they have this easy to open little spout here. It's actually very easy to open, just hard to with one hand. So this, just pulls out. So the wipes just pull out this way. And they are nice and moist and have plenty of the ingredients on them. So it's not something that's going to dry up quickly, and one will definitely get the job done with cleaning your hands. So they're nice and moist, and they're, I wouldn't say they're super thick or super thin. They're like kind of like a happy medium. And like I said, they have like a light, clean scent. And it tells you on here, you don't want to flush them. You want to make sure you throw them out because they are thick, somewhat, like thicker than a toilet paper. So you definitely don't want to, especially you guys have a septic system like me, you do not want to be throwing these in the toilet. It will give you a plumbing issue. So you don't want that. And then it just tells you where it's distributed by. Nice and easy. Just wipe your hands with these, and they will dry in just seconds after using them. So guys, this is my video for antibacterial hand wipes, dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic. Keep it in your bag, your car, your kid's diaper bag, and you'll be happy that you did. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks you guys, and have an awesome day.